Number 4, during a portion of a flight, a small airplane's cruising speed varied between 150 miles per hour and 170 miles per hour. Which inequality best represents this situation, where S is the cruising speed in miles per hour during this portion of the flight? When they say best represents, that's a key that some of these probably are true. That these are going to be true, during this, but they want to know which one's the best representation. So let's look at the options here. We have first that the speed was less than or equal to 20. No, we were told it was between 150 and 170. So it was in the middle. It was between 150 and 170 the whole time. Which actually, if you're looking at our answers, you can go like, hey, well, there's only one that's between 150 and 170. But still, it's a good idea to look at all of our options. B, it says that the speed was less than 150 for the whole flight. Well, no, we know it was between 150 and 170, so it had to have been greater than 150 and less than 170 during that time. C, it says S was less than 170 the whole time. This is where the best part comes in. Best represents. Because S is less than or equal to 170 the whole time. That's true. It is true that S was less than or equal to 170 for the whole flight. But it also had that lower end cap of 150. So it was between those two. So D is our best option, that S was greater than or equal to 150, but also less than or equal to 170. Yeah, and I'm really shocked that they didn't try something strange like flipping it like that, just to see if they could mess with you and get you to choose the wrong signs. That's something they like to do a lot. But yeah, anytime that there is a best represents, be on your guard, because it usually means, like in this one, that we've got another answer that technically could work as well, but it's not the best. So yes, again, this was less than 170 the whole time, but since we were given that lower range, like sort of the ending point of 150, that this, where it was between 150 and 170, is the best answer, D. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.